right? Or maybe he was just trying to get warm because it sure is feeling frigid out. Now, tonight, not quite as cold as this weekend. We're not only weather aware for the snow potential, we are weather aware for the Arctic cold blast moving in. Now, they actually did just expand that winter weather advisory to include portions of the Cumberland Plateau. Pretty much all of our coverage area is expecting winter weather for Friday, especially Friday night into early Saturday morning. Stays cold through Friday, but we are weather aware for Friday evening into Saturday for snow. Now, most likely east of Interstate 75. And for Saturday through Monday morning, we are weather aware for the cold. Near record cold temperatures with sub-zero wind chills for all. It's going to be quite frigid. Right now, it's pretty quiet. A few light returns to our north. Now, here's that system that will pass by tomorrow, giving us that winter weather. Currently over Arkansas, so it does have a little ways to go. It is expected to track south of the region overnight, eventually making its way east of us and then strengthening pretty much overhead. Great track for snow, pretty much all snow across the area. So unlike last event, the last winter weather maker was the ice. We had the freezing rain. This time, no ice. It will be all snow. The Arctic air will be there. We do know that. Still a couple of questions on the track of that low. If it does track a little bit farther east, we get less snow totals. Farther west, we get more snow totals. So we're watching the track of that low pretty closely. Here are those chances for snow Friday into Friday night. That's the best chance, and then tapering off as we go throughout the day. Saturday, especially across those Smokies, could linger just a bit longer. Temperatures right now mid to upper 20s. It is cold. Tomorrow, I think most of us jump up to just above freezing, but snow will develop during the afternoon, becoming widespread during the overnight hours. Here's what we can expect. 6 predictor tomorrow morning. Looks quiet. I think there will be a few breaks of sun early during the afternoon. Snow forms across our northern counties, the Kentucky-Tennessee border, Smokies, and then snow becomes pretty widespread Friday evening into the overnight hours. Could see some brief heavy snow squalls, and with the wind gusting out of the north, visibilities could be reduced as we go throughout the overnight. So if you can avoid travel tomorrow night, I would do so. Saturday, snow will end from west to east across the coverage area, finally coming to an end across the Smokies a little bit later, heading into early Sunday morning. Here are those snowfall totals, the higher totals across our eastern counties. Smokies around 4 to 8 inches. If you're above 5,000 feet, maybe a little bit more. Knoxville's kind of in an interesting area on the border between the 1 and the 2 inches and the 2 and the 4 inches. I think there will be a sharp cutoff between snow accumulation and close to nothing across our southwest counties. Snow looks to be pretty hard to come by because that low is moving northeast and strengthening overhead. So the lower totals are to our southwest and higher totals to our northeast. The impacts look to be pretty much subjected to east of Interstate 75. It is kind of low to moderate. Again, no ice, but it will be that light fluffy snow, so it doesn't take a lot of precipitation to have those snowfall totals really pile up. It should be that light fluffy, not really good snowball snow. The cold, that will be a big deal Saturday during the afternoon. Wind chills single digits, high temperatures in the teens, and then temperatures really bottoming out for Sunday morning. Wind chills in the below zero range, so some dangerously cold weather. Warming up next week, maybe some more precipitation. Hopefully that stays as rain, guys.
Yeah, let's hope so. All right.